Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday, and so I'm going to show off a few little things that I am working on, and I'm going to show a few things that you guys are working on for the ones that are posting things in the Facebook group page, showing us you got your WIPs and stuff. So let's go ahead and get started in this video. I'm going to start off with my little cute witch. It is done. The PDF pattern is in my Etsy shop, so if you haven't seen this, if you missed it, I will leave the link below in the description box so that you guys can check out this pattern and make it for yourself. I used a G hook and an H hook and medium full weight yarn for this. Of course, I just used big twist that I had, at my local Joann's. This is what my latest stitch tutorial is. It is an 8-petal flower motif. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Now, I did this in a medium full weight yarn and an H 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. I just love them. I think that they're beautiful, and I really think that you guys are going to enjoy this. Now, it says intermediate, but let me tell you, to me, it's really easy. Watch my tutorial because I make it easy for you guys. I explain it very well. Hopefully, you think so. Anyway, so be sure and look at that. I'll leave the link in the description box below for you guys. Oh, let me show you a little video clip of what I am using them for at the moment. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the 8-petal flower motif that I did in yesterday's tutorial. Right now, I'm just using that. I don't know if it's like a coaster, but probably more like a doily or something. Okay, there it is. And I just have a little jar of peanuts sitting on that. Just like that. Okay, let's take a look at my yellow one that I did. Now I'm going to do another one in green with this. Probably use, let's see, maybe this kind of yarn right here. It's what I'm planning on looking at and remake those, because this green, I don't know, I like it a lot better than this darker green for it. Okay, guys, that was it. That's how I'm using them. And as you saw, I'm planning on making some more in a different color of yarn there. Guys, the next thing I'm working on, I'm not quite sure when I'll get it done. Hopefully before Halloween for you guys. But I am going to do a tutorial on edging. It's just a dishcloth, dish towel right here for Halloween. And of course you can buy Christmas and whatever you want. So it doesn't necessarily have to be Halloween. I just thought I'd do it in Halloween. But I'm just using big twist black. And then for my next one, I bought, I think it came as a 2-pack. And so this dish towel is like this. And then I've got my orange yarn. Now what I'm planning on doing is just a border along the side right here. That's all. I'm just going to put a nice fancy border, so be sure and watch for that tutorial so you can fancy up your little dish towels. All right, guys, let's see, what else do I have? Well, I am working on Oliver's blanket. This is what I've gotten done so far. So it's going along really well. It's corner to corner, and I've got about, once I finish this one, I have 2 more that I need to make before Christmas. Do you think I can do it? I don't know. Okay, guys, let's see what you are up to. Okay, here is Patsy's. She said that she bought a second organizer. She put all the drawers on the cart, and the extra top shelf is on her other cart in the craft room. She says she can't begin to say how handy these are. Wow, it does look really handy. Thanks for sharing with us, Patsy. We appreciate that. Okay, here we have my sister Tanya's, and look at these beautiful pumpkins. She says, y'all, I just had to make some pumpkins from Pamela's pumpkin tutorial. This has got to be the easiest pattern to date. She said, I just put a little bit more stuffing and added some more chains and rows. She said they turned out perfect. She says, thank you, Pamela, very much for the pumpkin pattern. Well, Tanya, they are beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing them with us. I love them, sis. Okay, here we have Patsy again, but this time I'm showing it because she finished one of my pumpkin pouches, and it is beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Patsy. I'll leave the link in the description box below for these pumpkins, guys. All right, thank you guys for submitting those. I really enjoy that, and I know that my viewers, you guys all enjoy it too. So keep up the good work, and please, if you haven't posted yet, go ahead. Don't be shy. Go ahead and post what you're working on, and I will be glad to put that in my WIP Caddy Wednesday video. So anyway, let's go ahead and look at our Buy Still Waters. This is spiritual safety gear. It says, therefore, put on the full armor of God, so that when the day of evil comes, you may be able to stand your ground. And after you have done everything to stand, stand firm then, with the belt of truth buckled around your waist, with the breastplate of righteousness in place, and with your feet fitted with the readiness that comes from the gospel of peace. That's Ephesians 6:13 through 15. I'm trying to read this without my specs, guys, so bear with me. It says, we have become a nation of safety fanatics, and well, we should. There are hazards out there everywhere. We have helmets and earplugs, eye protection, and knee pads. There is safety gear for pretty much every sport, industry, fix-it task, and hobby. We want to be ready for anything. But how about outfitting our souls for protection? There are spiritual dangers out there, some shy, some bold, including perils from demonic influences. When the world comes at us with its evil intentions, are we standing firm with truth and righteousness and the gospel of peace? There is no need for us to live in a state of fear, but there is a real need to be ready with our spiritual safety gear. Lord, help me to always be ready to stand up to evil. May I always love justice and truth and your salvation message. Amen. Oh, wow, that was a good one. I needed that for today, and I pray that you guys needed that it helped you. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.